In my book, Step Out of Your Comfort Zone and Start Living Your Dream, on chapter 7, on the fear of taking risks, there's a quote by Tim Fago that I wrote that says, "Until you cross the bridge of your insecurities, you can't begin to explore your possibilities." Athi ngiyiphinde, until you cross the bridge of your insecurities, you can't begin to explore your possibilities. Don't be insecure about your dreams. Yabona, if I was insecure about my dream of becoming an author and writing this book, I wouldn't be this guy that you see today. So this quote by Tim Fago really touched me. That's why I even included it in chapter 7 on my book, on the fear of taking risk. You have to cross that bridge of your insecurities so you can explore your possibilities. Don't be afraid of taking risk. Yes, taking risk is risky itself, but if you don't take a risk and pursue that dream, you will never know. Yabona, most people are afraid of some things that they haven't tried. And that is why I always like to say, don't be afraid of what you haven't tried. Ungayisabi into ongakayiqali. Cross that bridge of your insecurities and you will see amazing things will begin to happen. My name is Umthokozisi Nkosi, the author of Step Out of Your Comfort Zone and Start Living Your Dream and other books. And this is my message to you today. Until you cross the bridge of your insecurities, you can't begin to explore your possibilities.